under the new policy in education, one of the key points has been on the 3 languages. But this time, we now hear that the Tamil Nadu government is saying they will not allow the 3-language policy to come into place in the state. They say they want to continue with 2 languages. In fact, it's not just the government there, but they seem to be getting support from the opposition parties as well, all speaking in one language and one tone, that is at least that only 2 languages will be allowed. To understand why this is happening, we've got Sam Daniel join us live from the state. Hi Sam, thanks for joining us. Just wanted to understand from you, what exactly is the problem that the state government and even the opposition at this point in the state that seem to have to the 3 languages?
Sonal, the state government as well as the opposition parties in Tamil Nadu look at this 3-language formula or policy as yet another tacit attempt by the central government to push Hindi or imposition of Hindi as they call it. For a long time, Tamil Nadu has been opposing direct and indirect methods of pushing Hindi. Although schools teach Hindi, it's an optional thing, but it's not forced into anyone. But they look at this policy as a clever attempt, as they call it, by the central government to push it. And 3 key announcements by Chief Minister EPS. One, the state government has decided to reject completely the 3-language policy. Secondly, it will go ahead with its 2-language policy. Thirdly, it is also asking the Prime Minister to reconsider this policy and also to let states implement it the way they would want it according to the local policies. And the Chief Minister has listed a consistent anti-Hindi imposition stand taken by a few past Chief Ministers, late Chief Ministers, from the days of Annadurai to MGR to Jayalalitha, saying that they have never agreed for this 3-language formula. And he has also cited how Tamil Nadu witnessed massive anti-Hindi agitation in the early 1960s when the central government, at that time the Congress, had attempted to make Hindi the official language. And he points out how the Official Languages Act still wants English to be the link language between non-Hindi speaking states and the central government. And yes, you're right, as this is one issue where both the opposition and the ruling party speak in one language, no Hindi.